চাৰিটা কেছৰ ভিতৰত এটা হ'ল নগাঁও পুলিচ ষ্টেচন কেছ নম্বৰ 443/23 যেটো অৰিজিনালি 5 মে তাৰিখত ৰেজিষ্টাৰ হৈছিলে আৰু যেটো কেছত সাব ইন্সপেক্টৰ জুনমণি ৰাভা ইনভেষ্টিগেশ্যন অফিচাৰ আছিলে তাৰ পিছত লখিমপুৰ পুলিচ ষ্টেচনত এটা কেছ ৰেজিষ্টাৰ হৈছিলে 183/23 মে 15, 2023 তাৰিখত তাৰপিছত জখলাবন্ধা থানাত এটা কেছ ৰেজিষ্টাৰ হৈছিলে 84/23 মে 16 তাৰিখত তাৰপিছত জখলাবন্ধা থানাত 19 মে যোৱাকালি এটা কেছ ৰেজিষ্টাৰ হৈছিলে 87/23 তো এজ ডিজিপি and after reviewing the entire case with the CID team and police headquarters senior officers, I have decided to recommend to the government of Assam for transfer of investigation of all these 4 cases to CBI. A recommendation amar yarpra first half of taji government loi jabo. In addition to that, and after discussion with Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, we have decided that all officers connected to these 2 districts, that is Nagaon and North Lakhimpur, shall be transferred today. This decision of mine to recommend transfer of investigation to CBI is on 2 grounds. One is that I have seen that public sentiment desires and demands that this case be transferred to CBI. Second, since one of our own police officers has lost life, it is deemed appropriate that the case is investigated by a neutral agency. However, I reiterate that moi decision public sentiment और neutrality